Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of dating and social networking website in Laravel 5.6. And in this video, we are going to design. We are going to search for the design and we will embed design to our Laravel website. So we will do two of the tasks. First, we will download free design, free dating design, dating HTML, or you can say HTML design template. Okay, this thing we will search on net, and I have already searched one. And in the second step, we are going to embed that embed design to our Laravel dating website. So these two steps we are going to follow. So in the first step, we will do our first step. We will download dating website, dating template. Okay, this first step we are going to see. Now see, there are many templates you can download from internet. You will get many free design templates. You will get many, and you can download many. But the main thing is for testing purpose, for offline purpose, you can download all these free design templates. But if you are serious, if you are going to make professional website and going to make it online, then I recommend that you must buy some premium template with support. So because design is also means also involves a lot of importance. So you can either get it done from some companies or some of your designer friends, or you can buy. Okay, so for testing and offline purpose, you can download the design, but never make those free designs online. Okay, so what I am going to do, I have already searched one design from the net, and I am going to download that, and you can also download that for testing offline purpose to learn Laravel. Okay, so that design I will search for that design that I have already found. We have to use this one design, and you can get from this website. So yeah, this design I've already searched. I have invested some time and found that this design can uh, suit our requirements, and you can open uh, website, open this one, open link. You can say download uh, from this link. Okay, from this link you can download. I will in description part I will add this link so that you can download. So just download it, and it will reach here, and just we are going to extract. Okay. See, it's already there. Okay, so it's already there. Yeah, so this is the design that we have downloaded. So this we are going to embed in our Laravel project and see how beautiful it looks. But we will use it for our offline purpose. We will never make it online for learning purpose. Okay, and you can also do that, and you can see that it also gives us other pages that we can use, but we will use it in next page, and we will make other pages of our own. So first thing we need to embed all these files. We need to embed css and images folder, and we need to make header, footer, front design. all the files means we need to embed to our Laravel structure. So uh, so we are going to do this thing in our second part. We are going to embed this design to our website. Okay, so this thing we are going to do so that we can view this design in our project. So what I am going to do, I am going to open first of all, I'm going to open my project, dating name I have given, we have given earlier. So a few of these steps we are going to take to copy the structure and then make changes, required changes. So first of all, I will mark it like this, and uh, source of copy CSS and images that comes with the design. Uh, so you just need to copy from template folder, copy CSS folder to the path here to public and CSS and front end. We are see this you need to remove because this is the part of e-commerce whatever. So you can remove, and here you need to copy. So you will copy in this path. Okay, to this path from template folder, copy CSS folder to uh, copy CSS folder folder files to this path. Okay, so all the files I'm going to copy here, and only one file is there, so no issue. We are going to copy that here. Okay, fine. So that thing we have done, and there are also images. We are also copying front end images. So uh, this is for CSS. Uh, for CSS, you need to do this, and now for images, very simple. You simply need to from template folder copy images folder files, or you can say copy files from CSS folder. It will be more clear. Images from images folder to, now its path is public images front end underscore image here. Okay, so here we are going to copy front end underscore images. Uh, so all these images I'm going to copy, and we'll copy in images front end. See, remove all this because now we don't require e-commerce template images, so we will copy these one here. Okay. See, this all structure we made earlier with our admin panel series. All these structure like we are getting this front end images, back end images, and front end CSS, back end CSS. So you must get this structure from. You must learn admin panel series that will make the things more clear to you if you are new to Laravel and you just open this project. So uh, in JS as well, see front-end JS, we don't require all these JS for this at this time because this one are the part of e-commerce project. We will later copy if we require some files. Okay, backend is working fine, and uh, so this JS is the Laravel JS that we don't require at this time, and it is outside of these folders, so no need to do anything with, and CSS also no need to anything with that app.css. So this is the folders that we have just copied. Now we will now open index.html. Now the we are going to create and the some of the files like front design, front header. See these files, if we have already created, then it's fine. We will check. See, all these files are already there, but we will see that if there is something we are going to remove. See, no, nothing is there. In the same way, front header, okay, front footer. If these files are not in your folder, then you have to create these files. Sorry. Okay. So you have to create these files if these are not present in your layout, front layout part. So create these files because we now need to add data into them from our index.html file. So you need to create or update. Okay, if it not exists, then you have to create, and if it exists, then you have to update front design, and I will write it as front. Uh, okay, no, so front design and front footer, front header, and front sidebar. Okay. uh, so create these files if it does not exist under your folder. That path is resources, views, layouts, and front layout. Okay. If it does not exist, then you have to create, and if front layout does not exist, then you have to create front layout also. If layouts do not exist, then you have to create layouts also. And if these folder structure does not exist, then you have to follow admin panel series. Okay. So now see, now we are going to just open index.html, and we will copy from that HTML file to all these files. Okay, we will copy that content from that HTML file. Like header, we will copy in header. Footer, we will copy in footer. Middle content, in middle content, like this kind of thing we are going to do. Okay, and now see, in every Laravel project you need to copy the design like this. You need to follow some of these steps. Okay, now I am going to open index.html here. Okay, in the front I am going to open. See what I am going to do, simply copy full index.html in front design. Okay, now because this is the basic page of front design, it will carry from HTML up till HTML, and from this page we will cut out the parts from this page and will copy like header part. We are going to copy in header. Left part we are going to copy in left. Right part we will keep it there only, and we will copy in index blade file. And footer part we are going to copy in footer. So see the layout, it's very nice layout. Okay, and every part will go its own page, so it will make the things more clear to you. Okay, so now just uh, just follow these steps. If you will forget, so you can check in description part that I am going to copy all this content in the description door. Anytime you will forget something to do, then you just follow the same step. So just copy complete index.html content to front underscore design dot blade dot php file. Sorry, a file. Uh, okay, and then move header, footer, left sidebar to their respective file. Okay, very simple thing we are going to do. Uh, so so just you need to cut this header part. Okay, I'm going to cut this header. See this header part, and we'll cut it, and we'll going to paste in header. Okay, and just you need to follow cut header part and copy to front header. In the same way, cut left container part. Okay, cut left container part and copy to front sidebar. Okay, like this. Cut left part and copy to front sidebar. Sidebar is always left most of the time. And now, very simple. Now cut footer part. Now cut footer part and copy in footer left side. Okay. Now cut footer part and copy to front footer. Okay, these are so very similar steps that we have taken. Uh, we also need to include this header left and footer, not only this one. Okay, and copy to and now include this one. Uh, now include uh, header left and footer files with include in front design. Okay, now we'll include like this. See here we have done for both. Here we will include first of all we will include front header. So we need to give full path here, layouts, front layout, front header, like this. Okay, so now we will include sidebar. So it will come here, layouts, front layout, front sidebar, like this. Okay, now here we are going to include our footer part. So we will write it like this: include layout, front layout, front footer, like this. Okay, so sorry, this will not included by mistake. So like this we have included everything, and all these three files we have included, and see this right container part will go in our index bleed file. Okay, so we will create one more file here, and now see in 2.3 create index dot blade dot php file. Okay, so this one we will create index blade file under we are going to create here already. Here we are going under views. Okay, under views folder in which we will copy this main part of index blade file, copy write container part of index.html. Okay, you can select this or yeah. So this one we can create here. We can simply create this file index.blade.php. Fine. So we are going to open here index.blade.php, and this part we will copy there, the right container part, and this one we can copy here. Okay, in index blade file. Okay, fine. Yeah, and in place of this one now we will not add include, because this part going to be changed for every file. So we will do here yield content. This is the script of Laravel. Okay, so we need to follow the same thing. Okay, uh, see, this one we have done with admin design as well. If you will see, same thing we have done in admin design, and same thing we are doing for front design. See, same thing we have done for admin design. See here, lot of CSS and JS are there, but here only one CSS, and CSS path we will also update. Okay, and see here, and here for admin login as well, we have used means everything we have added like this. And yeah, so along with this one, it's not finished yet, and index.blade file we have added uh, the visual content of index.blade file, but we also need to add front design to it, like we used to add for every file. In admin panel as well, we included front design to our dashboard file like this. Okay, see, extend section. Okay, this one you need to do for all the blade files. Here we have added admin design, and there we will add front design. So this file, if we will open this file, only middle content will come. So we need to add here our front design. This design we need to add to this file, and this part will only come here in place of yield content, but rest of the design we need to add here, so that it add automatically here. So we will do here extend layouts path will come front layout front design like this. Okay, and here we will also add section content. We need to follow this one for all our pages, all our website pages, like we have done for admin panel and section like this. Okay, this one we have added now. Now we need to update path of CSS file as well after creating this one. Uh, so here we have added also add front design to index blade file. Okay, as shown in video. Okay, now we have. So now we are going to update CSS path. So update CSS path in index blade file. Sorry, in front design file. Design blade file. Okay. So this one we need to include like in a proper way link at root like that will start and we will give full path and underscore CSS layout dot CSS like this. CSS, yeah, like this, and this one we can remove. Now it's fine. CSS path is correct. So with asset implement file with set. Okay. Now after that, now we are finished with this all these kind of changes. Now we need to create few of the things. We need to create index controller. So create index controller in which we will create index function later on. So we will create index controller with simple Laravel query, Laravel that we will run in command prompt. Make controller index controller like this. Okay. So step one, there must be no index controller included. Yeah, it's fine. So we can add one. Make controller index controller. Yeah, controller exists now. Yeah, controller created. Now we will open index controller. Yeah, now first we will create its a route for our index page. Okay, now create index page route. Now create route. Okay, this one you can mark it like this. Now create get a route for index function, or you can say for index blade file. Okay, we will simply create like this route get and this one for our index page, and index controller. In index controller we will create index function like this. So we simply need to do this thing. Now create, here, create this one. Now we will open web.php. Yeah, web.php. Okay. Yeah, now we are going to comment this one coming soon, because now we are going to create our index route, another route we are going to create. So we will simply create like this. Yeah. Okay, now it's created. Now we will create function. Now create index function in index controller, and return view index label view. Okay, simply we will now create index function here. Function index. Here we can return view index. Okay, like this. Index. Now it's fine. Now we will check. Now we are completed everything. Now we will check that whether our index blade file will come or not. Okay. Now see. Yeah. Yeah. Now it's coming. Yeah. It's coming. Our design is coming, but images are not coming. For images, we will set path. We will update path in our layout.css file. So update layout.css, update path in layout.css file. Okay, we need to update, only then images will come, that we have added. Yeah, see, this is the wrong path that we need to update, and many of my friends is having problem with path in ecom series as well. So paths are really important, and you need to figure it out. You need to update your path in your css files. You need to make sure that your paths are correct, otherwise website will not work perfectly and you are going to have much more issues. So make sure that your paths are correct. Okay, and here also we will update this path. We will update dot images slash to our path, that is that where we have placed the images, then we have placed under front end images like this. Okay, so we will just simply replace all the paths here. I'm going to select all the paths and going to convert it to our front end images path. So let's see. Yeah, now everything is coming fine, and you are watching that it is identical, and still here we need to update the path in index.blade file. So update the path in our index.blade file as well. Update uh, that path in index.blade.php file. Okay. Now update images path in index.blade file as well. So we are going to see, we are going to add a set here. So here we can add a set so that our path will be correct. To add a set like this. Yeah, so everywhere you feel, okay, like this. And there are much more places. So I will do for all. See, there are too many places. Okay. Fine. Okay, so fine. Click here. This. I will go. No, I will select this one. No, not I will not. Now simply do here so that no mistake will come. Make sure no mistake will come. Any commands you can use, you can do all at once, but make sure that no mistake comes. Otherwise, you have to do it again. So in some cases we can do all at once, but in some cases we need to do one by one. So we need to make sure that no mistake comes. And it is fine. Yeah, like this. Yeah, now done. Now we will check again. Still, one image is not coming. We will find why this image is not coming. Yeah, these icons also and this image also. So we will check in console is always helpful. So you can check in console. Okay, always check like this. And some of these, see here images. Yeah, still our path is incorrect. So we will correct it. Here also we need to update. We need to edit like images slash then front and in images then slash like this. Okay, now we will check. Oh, it is giving a really tough time, but we will resolve it. No issue. Uh, images still having issue. We will see. Okay, it's not there. Yeah, still we need to update path here also. Yeah, here also we need to update. Yes, like this. Okay, now I hope it will be correct. Yeah, now it is correct. Now still there are three more left, and now these are. So I'm going to see front. This is search button. Okay, we will search it. Only few pages we are having. See, here we have done for all. Here nothing is there. Okay, index, let file, front header, front footer, sidebar is left. Okay, so front sidebar, front sidebar. Here we will check. Yeah, here left one more we are having. So here also We need to update images, then front end images, then search like this. See, for any design that you will get, even for premium design as well, you need to make so much effort. You need to do all these tasks. Only then you can convert your index.html into Laravel project. Means you need to follow all these steps every time. Otherwise, means you can't able to see now. Only one file is left, and now we are going to see, we can search here as well. We have too many options for search. Okay, so you can search complete dating project. Okay, so very simple to search this one. So we'll search complete dating project now. So we will find that where we are left with, yeah, this is also front sidebar, and this hopefully our last step, our last path that we are correcting. Okay, after that there is no issue at all. Okay, but you have to follow all these steps, otherwise you will face difficulties in future. Okay, now see, like this one also done. Now we will check. Yeah, console is now empty, and see our design is ready. Okay, now see in our index file everything is coming. So you need to update uh, paths in uh, your front header, and front sidebar as well. Sidebar. Okay. Uh, so now see in video, uh, index blade file is opening fine. Opening fine. Okay, fine with all images CSS. Okay. Uh, so we are ready with it, and we will now continue with our more things, with our register part of user, register user, and more things. Okay, so you have seen up till now that what we have done, we have created our admin panel in the previous step. Okay, see, we have the admin panel ready, the matrix admin panel we again are ready for our dating website, and now we are ready with its HTML view. Okay, now both the things are ready. Oh, we are, what is the issue is coming? uh, see if there is any issue, connection could not be established because the target view. Okay, fine. We'll go to update this file with data. Okay. Mm, we will check if it's fine or not. See, our PC admin is not opening, so that's why it is creating issue. We will check why it is not opening. Our jump is running or not. Mm, mm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See now, see admin panel. is ready, that we will use this admin panel. Admin panel basic structure is ready for us, and now HTML. Now both admin and front basic structures are ready, and now we will continue working on our dating social website, social networking website. Okay. And friends, and you can see that in YouTube there is no single video you are going to see on dating website, on social networking website. You will never see that such kind of video exists, and this is hopefully the first tutorial on it, and I will try my best so that every one of you will learn something with it, and hope you will like it. You will surely like it. So stay tuned for our next video, in which we will start working on its front end. We will start creating register page, and we'll see the user interaction. So stay tuned for our next video, in which we will start creating register form for our users. Okay. Okay then. Thanks for watching. Okay. Have a nice time then. Okay. Goodbye.